time to get a couple more dahlias trees in. So this one is my star apple, sometimes known as Janto, from the West Indies, popular fruit, can be purple or green skinned, and it has a star pattern inside. I've seen these quite often. I've got no idea what they taste like, but I thought it'd be worth having a shot. So let's get him in. I've prepared some large pots here some time ago. Lots of sheep manure and other organic matter in here, so that's rotted down a little bit, but at least it's settled, so we can put this one in. This is next to my bush tucker, medium. These are really nice. They're like a eucalyptus blueberry. Interesting taste. Little star apple, how'd you come? Just break the roots up just a fraction. In he goes. Get it upright. We shall now put some straw around him to keep him warm. But it's not straight. Let's straighten it up. I'm going to move my medium, put him out in a little bit more sun now that he's well established, and also take some cuttings, see if I can grow from cutting. There we go. Star apple is in. Let's do the next one. This one is a yellow mangosteen, which I believe tastes nothing like the purple mangosteen, which we can't seem to grow in WA. So let's pop him in. Squeeze the pot. Gently pull him out. Just untangle those a little bit. And in he goes. Again, another one subtropical. So we want to try and keep him a little bit warm. So on goes plenty of mulch. 2 down. Lots more to go. All right. Enjoy life. Catch you in the garden.